your camera on. Squad, he just crashed. Send an ambulance.
Get the... Hey!
Squad, send an ambulance right now. We're 49th and Wentworth. Dude, turn your fucking camera on. Make sure you turn your camera on.
I don't got my camera.
Fuck. Fuck!
Come on, Ron.
Fuck! Break it, Ron. Get it. Hey, yo, hope Giannis get out over there. Fuck, get on. Alright, okay. Move this. Are you alright, man? Hey! Dude, fuck. Don't wait. Oh, fuck.
762. They got him coming. 760, Charlie. Can you send 2 ambulances? They got him. They just robbed somebody from the car. Where at? We gotta close off the street over here. Who hit? They hit this one. Right there.
So the offender hit the back of a semi, so 2. Stop talking! We have 2 cars involved, squad. Alright. 61st and Morgan. Hey, if you can hear me, hey, you've been in an accident. If you can hear me, the ambulance is on its way, okay? Just stay awake. Stay awake and keep breathing, okay? Hey, don't move. Just keep breathing, okay? Hey, don't... If you can hear me, just keep breathing, okay? You're gonna be fine.
They still in there?
Yeah, they're still fucking in there, man. Hey, don't move, buddy. Just wait, okay? Help is on its way. Just keep breathing, all right?
2 of them.
You guys all right? Yeah,
we're good.
04033.
There was a robbery, and yeah. Yeah. I don't know the protocol on this. Like, I don't know. What's up?
What street is this?
Dude, I don't fucking know. That's 447. Hey, just don't touch shit, dude. Hey, don't reach for nothing.
Yeah, but make sure he don't reach for them because there's supposed to be a gun in there. So
There's maybe 2 guns in the car.
I got you.
Yo!
I'm gonna grab it.
Don't grab it. I don't know, unless you feel like he can reach through it.
I don't know.
If you feel like he can grab it, dude.
You think he can grab the pistol? Don't grab.
Yeah.
Just keep eyes on it. Just keep eyes on this guy right here, the driver. Stop moving, man, in the passenger seat. Stop moving.
Just make sure there's no room.
Stop moving. This door you can still go right through the back. If he goes for it, I'm going to grab it.
For 762 you have to enter southbound at 47th and Wentworth.
That shit's not gonna open.
Just keep eyes on it. Stop moving. The ambulance is coming.
Hey, dude, should we stay on or what's going on?
I don't know. I didn't.
Should be at the Wentworth with the traffic, 104722.
For now.
You got your Medicare?
Yeah. Yeah.
770?
There's a weapon there.
Somebody pointed it out.
760 enemy copy that. Do not touch the car. They're going to want to process the car for their carjacking, so do not touch the car.
762 Adam, can you let all the units know from both districts again not to try to come north up to here? There's no way they're going to have you. Let them know again, please. I still get charged from south.
Okay, the second district has been notified to come south and not north, and our district's been notified also. 799?
Okay.
799, 10-4.
Sir, should we stay on or?
710, 10-4. 723.
Fucking traffic going north at 51st Street.